Well, hi everyone. What if we could see seizures before they happen? Every year, millions of epilepsy patients undergo hours of EEG monitoring, while doctors manually review massive amounts of brainwave data looking for patterns. What if this process felt less like reviewing charts and more like watching the brain speak in real time? Well, this is Neuroloop. Neuroloop is a cinematic real-time EEG seizure detection and prediction model. It simulates what the future of neurological monitoring could look like. It combines live easy visualization, seizure prediction logic, and interactive 3D brain rendering into a single synchronized interface. At its core, Neuroloop transforms raw neural signals into something intuitive, visual, and immediate. Not just numbers on a screen, but a living system you can monitor. The platform simulates multiple patient EEG sessions, each with a unique waveform, behavior, and seizure history. Users can switch between patients and replay recorded monitoring sessions. At the center of the dashboard is an 8-channel EEG waveform engine continuously animating neural activity across multiple electrodes. These signals feed into Neuroloop's prediction state machine, which transitions between three neural states: normal, pre-ictal, the phase before the seizure onsets, and the seizure itself, known as ictal. As the system detects instability, every element of the dashboard reacts in sync. The waveform shifts, risk level lies, alerts appear, and the brain begins to respond visually. One of Neuroloop's most immersive components is the interactive 3D brain model. Using React 3 Fiber, the brain acts as a spatial visualization layer for seizure localization. When seizure activity is predicted or detected, targeted regions such as the temporal or frontal lobe illuminate dynamically. Neural hotspots pulse in amber red. Particles spark around active regions. The surface glows with intensity, depending on signal severity. Instead of reading where activity occurs, you can actually see it happening. It turns invisible neural events into something physical and explorable. Beyond visualization, Neuroloop includes a full monitoring system, an event log tracking seizure detections in real time, a dynamic meter showing neural stability, playback timeline controls for reviewing sessions, and a performance dashboard with metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, AUC, and ROC. Everything stays synchronized through a central playback engine. So every panel, from EEG signals to prediction alerts to brain activation, moves together as one system. Neuroloop is more than a dashboard. It's an exploration of how machine learning, neuroscience, and interface design can come together to make brain activity visible. A window into neural behavior, a tool for seizure prediction, and a prototype for what the future of neurological monitoring could become. This is Neuroloop.